Hey, why just play when you can win? Imagine diving into thrilling mobile games and walking away with real prizes. Before I dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on how to make money online. Okay, let's be real for a second. What if you could actually make money while playing games on your phone? Yes, you heard me right. Today I'm reviewing Jeton, Play and Earn Real Prizes, an app that lets you have fun, challenge your brain, and earn real rewards, all from your phone. So, what is Jeton? Imagine playing mind-stimulating games, entering tournaments, and scoring real cash prizes. No gimmicks, no nonsense. As you play, you earn tokens, and those tokens, you can convert them straight into cryptocurrency. Want to invest or maybe cash out in USD? You can do it all, right from Jeton. No other app needed. All right, let's talk about the games. First up is WordPaw, a word puzzle game that'll get your brain buzzing. The faster you find those target words, the faster you rack up points. Next is Mana. Basically, if you love word games, you'll get hooked. Find intersections between words, create the longest chain, and tap your way to more points. And then there's KOZ, a quiz game where you can show off your smarts, race against the clock, answer questions in tons of different categories, and use the safety net feature to lock in your score. Now, how do you actually make money here? It's simple. Play any game, have fun, and the points you earn show up as tokens in your account. Want to boost your earnings? Watch rewarded ads to multiply your tokens. If you're feeling competitive, check out the tournaments. Get your name on the leaderboard, and at the end of each tournament, see your rewards added to your balance. Don't forget the power-ups. As you play and join tournaments, you can unlock power-ups that give you cool abilities in each game. If you run out, just snag more from the market. No stress. So, to sum it up, Jeton is all about playing fun games, flexing your brain, and earning real rewards that you can actually use. Not a bad way to turn your downtime into dollars, right? I want to hear what you think. Would you try Jeton? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new ways to make money online. See you in the next one.